Now moving on to some examples of system software. Before moving on to the example, revising one more time the definition of system software. From the name itself, system softwares. These are the softwares that are made only for the computer system. Now these are the basic examples of the system software. The one and the most important example of any system software will be operating system. Operating system is the main device or main software that we require. Without operating system, we are not able to communicate with the hardware. As we have seen in the diagram, operating system was there, then it was RAM, input, output memories, and so on. So that RAM, CPU, IO devices are hardware. In order to communicate with that particular hardware, I require the first example, that is the operating system. The next example, you are able to see, there are compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. They are translators. Now, what do you mean by translators? Suppose if I am speaking English, you will be able to understand. But if I'm speaking German or I'm speaking French and you are not able to understand that particular language, so what do you require? You require one person who will be behaving as the translator. That particular translator will convert my language, that is the German language. If I'm speaking, he will be able to convert the German language into English. And if you require to communicate with me, again you are going to communicate with the translators. That means you will be speaking in English language and the translators will be converting that particular English again into German. So they are language translators. Compilers, interpreters are and assemblers are language translators, which is used to convert high level into low level language. But remember one thing, that is the best example of system software is operating system.